Convenience of shopping at home. So we can sit at home, and whenever we are at the home, then only we can buy the product. Pure play e-retailers means they are having only electronic transaction and they are not having any outlet shops for them. Infrastructure cost means even though you are not physically contacting with the customers, you have to arrange for warehouse for keeping your products. Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of Unit 2 of Advertising and Media Management. My name is Sri Devi, Faculty, Department of Commerce, Vidhyaashram Postgraduate College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. The agenda for today's video is e-retailing, benefits and advantages, disadvantages of e-retail, e-tailing models, traditional retailing versus e-retailing, key success factors, developing a consumer-oriented e-commerce system and e-commerce framework architecture. Now let us see what is retail. Retail is the process of selling consumer goods and services to customer through multiple channels of distribution to earn profit. So here what is retail? Retail means selling the consumer's goods and services to customers through multiple channels of distribution to earn a profit. So here the term retailer is typically applied where a service provider fills a small orders of many individuals who are end users rather than large orders of the small number of wholesalers, corporate or government client. Here retailing means he is not sending the products to a wholesaler or in large number. Instead of that, retailer sells the products directly to the customers or consumers. So here, a retailer sells the goods and services in a physical location where the seller meets the buyer in person. So here, retailer means the one who sells the goods and services to the customer. So retailing means the seller sells the goods and services or seller sells the goods to the buyer in person. That means here both buyer and seller meet together. But whenever it comes to e-retail, it is the sale of goods in internet. That means here buyers and sellers will not meet personally. So what are the examples of e-retailing? So examples are the Amazon or Flipkart or Zomato, Swiggy, etc. But whenever it comes to retailers, the examples are Walmart, McDonald's and Big Bazaar. So we can see here the difference only. So in Flipkart, Amazon and Zomato or Swiggy, the seller are not by meeting the buyers in person. But whenever it comes to Walmart, McDonald's or Big Bazaar, they are meeting each other personally. Now let us see the definition of e-retailing. So e-retailing is the process of selling products directly to the customers through the internet. That means here person-to-person contact is not there. Here sellers are selling the goods to the buyer through the internet. Here online retailing is a simple process where the products are sold to customers, that is business to customers online directly without any intermediaries. That means whenever the goods are selling through internet, then there will be no intermediaries. Instead of that, they are selling directly to the customers. Here how customers will buy the product. So here what the customers will do is they will visit e-retailers website first. After going to the website of e-tailers, what they will do, they will browse through various categories of goods and put that into cart. That means they will select the goods and put it in the cart and make the payment and get the delivery of the product. So whenever it comes to retailers, what we have to do, we have to go to the shop personally and we have to select the product and pay the money and get the goods. But here, instead of going to personally to the shop, what we can do, we can sit at home, we can browse the website of the e-retailers and search for the goods. We will select it and put it in the cart and make the payment, and that product will be delivered to our home. Now let us see the features of e-retailing. First one, saves time and efforts. Here no need to meet the customers personally or no need to meet the shopkeepers personally. So it will save both seller and buyer's time and effort. Next, convenience of shopping at home. So we can sit at home, and whenever we are at the home, then only we can buy the product. Next, wide variety or range of product. That means we can compare the products of one seller to another seller, or we can compare the products available in the Amazon with the products available in the Flipkart. And whenever we are buying the goods through online, what we will get? We will get discounts and lower prices. And we can also get the detailed information about the product. And it is easy to compare various models or brands. So now let us understand the features of e-commerce. The first one, so there are two types of e-retailers. First one, pure play. Second one, brick and click. So first one, pure play or virtual e-retailers means retailers that only do the electronic transactions and do not have any physical outlet for the customer. For example, Amazon and Flipkart. That means here pure play e-retailers means they are having only electronic transaction and they are not having any outlet shops for them. And what is the example for that? Amazon and Flipkart. Next one is brick and click or click and mortar e-retailers. That means the retailers who do both online and offline transaction. That means their products are available online also and offline also. So transaction through internet and physical outlet. For example, Dell. So we can buy the Dell company computers or Dell company laptops in the retail shop also and also through the internet. Now let us see the benefits of e-retailing. First one is location utility. So whenever it comes to retailing, then location is very important. If the shop is in the outskirts of the city, then nobody will go there and buy it. But whenever it comes to e-retailing, location is not important. That means the customers can be at home or shop, or if they are outside the office, anywhere, they can browse and they can order the product. So here location utility means here whenever it comes to e-retailing, location is not important. They just need internet to order the product. Next one is less expensive. So here whenever it comes to organized retailing, e-retailing is less expensive as it saves the wages for salesmen and also premises cost and also the maintenance. So these costs will be reduced. So because of that it is less expensive. So next one is high reach. High reach means integration with the customer is high in e-retailing. So because the local customers, national customers and also international customers can order the product through the internet. Next one, 24/7 business. That means there is no time limit for ordering the product into the website. So they can order the product at any time. So because of that, customers can buy the product anytime. That means it gives 24/7 business. Next, feedback. Here it is very easy to manage the customer relationship with the management, because whenever we are buying the product in website or through the internet, the customers will give the feedback. So because of that, it is easy to manage customers. Now let us see the advantages of e-retailing for buyers. What it does, it provides standardized system, coding transaction, communicated from one computer to another without the need of printed orders or invoices, delays or errors in paper handling. And it is used by organizations that make large number of transactions. Example, EDI is used in large market chains for transaction with suppliers. Next one is electronic data interchange or EDI. Electronic data interchange interposes communication of business information in standardized electronic form. Next, let us see the disadvantages of e-retail. First one is website cost. So first one is website cost. Here planning, designing, creating, hosting, securing and maintaining the professional e-commerce website isn't cheap. That means it costs money. So especially if you expect large and growing sales volume. Next one, infrastructure cost. So here infrastructure cost means even though you are not physically contacting with the customers, you have to arrange for warehouse for keeping your products. So because of that, what will happen? You have to bear the warehouse cost. Next one is security and fraud. So here the growth of online retail markets has attracted the attention of sophisticated criminal elements. So reputation of your business could be fatally damaged if you don't invest in large security system. So next one is advertising costs. So online marketing will be very efficient whenever you are doing the advertisement, and making the advertisement you have to bear the advertisement cost, that is huge. So because of that it contains advertisement cost. Because of that what will happen, it is one of the disadvantage. Next, customer trust. So it is very difficult to build a customer relationship without the personal contact with the customer. So here because of that it will be difficult to get the customer trust. So these are the disadvantages of e-retail. Next, let us see the two models of e-retailing. First one is inventory based model. So here according to FDA policy in India, inventory model of e-commerce means e-commerce activity where inventory of goods and services are owned by e-commerce entities and sold to the customers directly. So here entities also owned by the e-commerce retailers and sold to the customers directly. Next one is marketplace based model. So according to FDI guidelines, marketplace model of e-commerce means providing an information technology platform by an e-commerce entity on a digital and electronic network to act as facilitator between the buyer and seller. Now let us see the differences between retailing and e-retailing, the traditional retailing versus e-retailing. So in that first one is overhead costs. Traditional retailing involves high overhead costs such as rent, utilities and staffing, while e-retailing requires fewer overhead costs. Next, physical presence. So traditional retailing requires a physical store presence, while re-retailing can be done entirely online. So next one is customer experience. Traditional retailing offers a more personal and interactive customer experience, while it comes to e-retailing, it provides convenience and accessibility. Next one is product range. E-retailing offers a wide range of product and brands, while traditional retailing has limited space for inventory and product display. Next one is geographic reach. E-retailing allows business to reach a global customer base, while traditional retailing is limited to local customer base. So let us see this through the table. So here physical presence they are asking. So here in traditional retailing it requires physical store presence. That means there should be a store to keep the product, and in e-retailing can be done entirely through online. Whenever it comes to overhead cost, so here traditional retailing requires lot of overhead costs, example rent, utilities and staffing, but whenever it comes to e-retailing it requires fewer overhead costs. Next, customer experience. Here it offers a more personal and interactive customer experience. Whenever it comes to e-retailing, provides convenience and accessibility. Next, product range. Traditional retailing has limited space for inventory and product display, but when it comes to e-retailing offers a wider range of products and brands. And geographical reach. So traditional retailing limited to local customer base, but whenever it comes to e-retailing, it allows business to reach global customer base. Now let us see the key success factors of e-retailing. So first one is user-friendly website. So here there should be a well-designed user-friendly website. It is very essential for e-retailers so that they can compare prices of one product with another. And also there should be descriptions, images to give the information about the product to the customers. Next, mobile optimization. So here with the growing use of mobile devices, the e-retailers need to ensure their websites are optimized for mobile devices such as smartphone and tablets. Next one is strong online presence. That means E-retailers should maintain a strong online presence through social media. Next, search engine optimization and other digital marketing strategies to attract and engage the customers. Next one is customer service. Customer services, that means here e-retailer should give excellent customer service. So because of that, it will increase the customers' loyalty and the customers will buy the product again and again. Next one is competitive pricing. E-retailer need to offer competitive price to remain in or retain in a competitive market. Next, wide range of products. The e-retailer should provide wide range of products to appeal to different customer segments and increase the likelihood of making sale. Next one is security and privacy. That means e-retailers must ensure the security and privacy of its customers. That means they should not give the information of customers to others, and also they should not reveal the payment receipts to others or payment details to others. Next one is efficient supply chain. So here e-retailer should have efficient supply chain to ensure timely delivery of the product and avoid stock outdates and overstocking. Next, data analysts. So here retailer should be data analyst to track the customer's behavior, presence and trends to inform the marketing and product development strategies. Next one is innovation and adaptability. So here retailers should do innovations, or they must be innovative and adaptive to the changing customer needs, technology advancement and market trends to stay in the market. Next, ahead of the competition. So that means they have to give competitive prices to the customers. Next one, developing a consumer oriented e-commerce system. In that first one is market. Here e-commerce should take some time to find the right customers and source the product, meets their needs at the right place. So here researching your customers remains to match the product to the needs. Next one is market. Here good content marketing provides genuine value to customers, building goodwill and loyalty. Here personalize the experience. That means 88% of the customers feel positive about the brand if their experience feels like it has a personal touch. Even something as simple as using their name in email marketing helps. Next one is create customer friendly website and app. That means the website should be user friendly. They should give the description about the product, and also there should be images about the product, and also there should be a provision for giving the feedback. And your website should be available in the mobile also. That means the customers should have the facility to use your e-retailing app in their phone. Next one, order and checkout process. Here you should make sure that ordering and checkout as easy as possible. Next, optimize your navigation structure. That means they should be able to find whatever they are looking for quickly and easily by providing search tools and filters. Next one is provide multiple options for payment. That means whenever they are doing the payment, there should be the availability of UPI or card or cash on delivery. That means there should be a multiple payment options like cards, net banking, UPI, code, etc. Next one is prompt customer service. A good customer service can elevate your overall customer experience. Chatbot can answer your customer queries, provide product suggestions, or even connect customers to customer service representatives. Next one is frequent updates. So here keep your customers updated as much as possible. For example, about their order confirmed, dispatch status, delivery tracking. Each notification is an opportunity to connect the customers and reform the relationship. Next, customer redressal. If customer is having any queries or complaints, it should be handled timely and through the fashion. And here, and training staff to be friendly, knowledgeable, empowers them to react customer needs and make recommendation in the moment. This boosts customer confidence and also sales. Next one is collecting feedback. Here, ask your feedback as often as you can across many channels possible. Here, tracking metrics like customer satisfaction can help in planning better. Using positive reviews in your marketing help the visibility of your products on Amazon and eBay as well as on convincing prospects. Next one, e-commerce framework architecture. So here, e-commerce architectural frameworks must be based on strong architectural model. Second one, dependency injection. Next one, factories. Next one, decorators. Next, publish or subscribe model. Next file, design pattern. So let us see what is dependency injection. So here dependency injection makes components independent of used object implementation. Next, factories, that means create object at a central place. Next one, decorators, that means dynamically add functionality to existing objects. Next one, publish or subscribe model, that means notify listening objects about changes instead of polling for updates. So this is all about today's session. Thank you.